Hi, I'm Alan Chen, and I'm the owner of the Lightning Gravity Gaming Company, and I'm trying to make a YouTube tutorial on Photoshop selection construct. And this is what I posted that what you might want to construct with on 2D, not Manix, where I work in Facebook as well, individually in the video game development. So first of all, this is where I'm more sample of my manic photoshopping. So I'm going to unview this, view this versus this one that you might want to construct the selection and inverse and delete it, the outer thicker lines. If you expand the size of this, what I did from before, this one is bigger. Layer 8 is bigger than layer 8 copy and layer 8 3 copy 3. Um, so what I'm do is um select the not the 3 one. This for the YouTube example. Just simply expand it. Um, I just do it randomly. It's just a YouTube example, not really photoshopping for professionally. And maybe drag it to the center. And then and you see that thicker line is thicker than the copy 3. You can expand the image. So you don't have to use the wand tool if it's not much colors mixing together. Amounts black and white is a perfect example, but it only works for black and white. Um, a lot easier with wand tool, but if it's only the layer, just select the layer thumbnail with your own um, left mouse control to select all entire layer, um, and then click select um, tab modify construct, and then I think it's supposed to be 3 this time because I expanded, or maybe 3-ish. It might looks the same-ish, or maybe 4, maybe select construct. Construct is always opposite of expand. Yeah, maybe 4 is better, but don't just click backspace to delete it in the middle, else it looks like you made an outline by accident. And maybe Control Z to go back, Control Z to undo delete. And since you select without copy 3, duplicate, you select more, not modify now, inverse, then click backspace as you shrink the deletion to outer line, so it becomes thinner line. Uh, so the wave system thingy. So and then after you can save PNG if you like to. Like a desktop section, not a document. And save in USB after. this should tell you this another thing that you can. Well, for me, I'll move this image up just to align the magnetic example how it works, and maybe Ontario Science Center college level um alignment ish. I moved it up because of the word text on the bottom. So I'll shift it the another PNG photo down here and up here. So the background will not make sense in alpha channel. So I filled the background with always white. So always blend in the background and save it again with PNG file at your desktop, and it always works the same. I think I end my YouTube tutorial. Um, so that's how it works. Uh, yeah, and I uploaded my Facebook account about how to learn to make your video game style sometimes, at least to game programming, not only artist skills. So thank you.